Are you a plus-side speed demon? Let's go see about TestTrack. Welcome to Fat Tested Travel. This is Jason Vaughn. I fat test rides all over the world, and I'm currently 345 pounds with a 52-inch waist, and I am 5 foot tall, 8 inches. TestTrack is a popular slot car attraction where you design your own vehicle for different tests before going outside for a high-speed lap around the track. While there are many rides sponsored at Disney World, nothing is more sponsored than TestTrack by Chevrolet. As you can see, there's 3 seats in a row, and it's a seatbelt system. I recommend pulling it all the way back and then putting it in behind you as you sit down. The first part of the ride is pretty dark, so there's going to be times it's hard to see anything during this point of view. The original ride opened in March 17th, 1999, replacing World of Motion. This version opened in 2012. It is the fastest Disney theme park attraction, reaching miles up to 65 miles per hour. By the way, this vehicle is the same vehicle you will find in Cars Land for Radiator Springs. The entire track is about a mile long, and the ride lasts 5 minutes. When you exit the ride, we're going to enter into a Chevrolet showroom for them to sell cars. There is a dedication plaque that says, "Dedicated to those who dream of the open road and the spirit of adventure that propels them." Let's get to the point of view.
SimCar performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SimCar off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
I don't know if you're first or third, or can't tell.
Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance.
As you exit the ride, you can learn more about your performance and your score. There are also some other Chevrolet simulators out here. And then, of course, we have the models of all the cars. I would say it works. Maybe I'll buy